Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you a recipe that I learned how to make on Facebook a week or so ago. It's technically an appetizer, but we're definitely having it for dinner tonight. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Reuben squares. So first we're going to preheat our oven. And we're going to preheat it to 350 degrees. And next, we're gonna come right up here. And here I have a 9x13 pan. And I'm just going to grease the bottom of this. So while we wait for the oven to preheat, I'm gonna prepare all of this. So your first step is going to be to take some crescent roll dough and to put it down in the bottom of the pan. And then you're going to want to pinch the seams together. Anyone who knows me knows how much I love opening these things. And that's total sarcasm. I hate it. Holding a ticking time bomb. It's no fun. Come on. There we go. All right. Open that up, and I'm gonna find the edge and spread it out over the bottom of the pan. There we go. Try and make it as even as possible. And then all of those little seams going through that you would normally tear apart, I'm just gonna go through and I'm gonna pinch them together. Alright, so now that our seams are all squished together, we're going to start layering on our toppings. So our first one, I have a pound of corned beef here that I got from the deli, and I had them cut it thick. And I'm just going to layer that on. I'm probably going to use about half of it. Alright, I decided to go all out and I added all of the corned beef. So there we go, that's all of my corned beef. Next, I'm going to add some Swiss cheese. So I'm going to do just a layer of that over the beef. Alright, so I have a good layer of Swiss cheese on there now. So next, I'm going to add my sauerkraut. This is the kind of sauerkraut that I use. It is naturally fermented. You can find it in the refrigerated section. And I'm just going to spread some of it all over. If you find any big hunks, just take them out. Alright, so that's all set. That was a pound of sauerkraut that's now evenly spread. I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I'm gonna come back for the next step. Ready for my next step, which is to take another package of crescent roll dough and suffer through opening it again. basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spread it out and I'm gonna pinch the seams together again. Awesome. So we're all good there. Now I'm gonna take some melted butter and I'm going to brush it over the top, but I don't have a brush, so I'm gonna spoon it and spread it out. So now that I've got a nice coating of butter all over there, I'm gonna take some coarsely ground sea salt and I'm gonna sprinkle it over the top. Or I guess I shouldn't say sea salt. Take some coarsely ground salt. Mine's kosher salt. I'm just gonna sprinkle it all over the top. So now I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in my preheated oven and I'm going to let it cook for 30 minutes. And there we go. That's how you make Reuben squares. Let me know if you make them at home. I'd love to see how yours turned out.